Hello, welcome to another Repairmatic video. I come with the Golf Mk4 that I have. Today's plan is to change the tail lights with the ones that I've ordered. But I bought them used ones, these ones. So I'll change this to this and see how it looks. I think this will look pretty. This is a smoked one, but with the crystal glass. Let's see how it looks. This is how it looks. The first look before I tighten up the screws. I think I like it. What do you guys think? Compared to the original one, I think this is cool. This is how the new one looks like. This is how the old one looks like. You can decide. I like the new one, but the light is bit blend. The light is bit blended with the other lights, but still it looks cool. So this is how they look when you switch them on.